Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Versace sunglasses model VE2220 in color code 100287. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are dark gray, and you'll also find the Versace logo in gold on the top of its bridge. On its temple is the Versace Medusa logo, and the temple tips are black. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. On its inner right temple is the Versace logo and that it's made in Italy, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimension of its temple, which is 125. You also find the Versace logo on the inside of its temples. The Versace logo is also on its nose pads in gold. The glasses also come with a Versace gift box, a Versace hard case, a Versace booklet, a Versace manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica, and a black Versace cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested, check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.